PROFINET is fast. With very short cycle times, a fast diagnosis is also essential for the reliable operation and high productivity of the system. Controllers and devices exchange I/O data cyclically. Process values are captured by sensors. Essentially, errors can be divided into three different categories: device errors, network errors, and process errors. What options for diagnosis are there if an error occurs? First, an alarm message is sent from the device to the controller. This means that there is a standardized error message both in the device and the controller. The quality of the error message is always the same, regardless of the tool used. The diagnosis is accessed by way of the engineering system of the controller manufacturer, diagnostic tools from various suppliers, and via web browser, totally independent of the manufacturer. Tablets and smartphones also make remote diagnosis possible. A look at use in practice. Let's consider a system with 2 production lines and 1 maintenance room. Let's assume that you haven't switched over to PROFINET yet. Lots of questions arise when an error occurs. What happened? Who is affected? Where is the error? To be able to answer the questions, you first have to go to the failed machine. To read out the error message, you connect the PC to the machine. But what does device 5 error 27 mean? The cause is listed in the manual from the manufacturer. The module is defective. But where is device 5? The device is located in the 3rd control cabinet, and you can get a suitable replacement module from storage. Finally, the error is remedied at the machine. Operation can then continue. Now let's take a look at your system with PROFINET. At first, the same questions arise when an error occurs. What? Who? Where? To get to the bottom of things, you connect to your machine via Ethernet from the maintenance room. The diagnostic message shows which device is affected and which error has occurred. The topology view of the machine shows the location of the defective device. With all the relevant information and a replacement module, you make your way to the machine. The error can be remedied there. Production can then continue. Thanks to PROFINET Diagnosis, you were able to respond quickly and in a targeted way. Should an error occur, PROFINET transfers the diagnosis to the maintenance room, which saves time and unnecessary waits. When operating a system equipped with PROFINET, you get answers to all your questions at a glance, thanks to the diagnosis. This enables you to respond quickly to errors and reduce downtimes. The advantage: expensive machine and system downtimes are reduced significantly.